Are you lacking manpower for the constructive implementation of your projects? Benefit from individual support. Whether it's agitator tanks for plant engineering or specialized bakery technology, we can get involved at any project phase. We don't think in terms of products, but in terms of functions. From 3D construction to the creation of drawings and DXF files for your cutouts, including flat patterns for container and edge profiles, taking into account custom bending allowances? Benefit from our flexibility and experience through the synergies between different industries. Whether small businesses, medium-sized companies, or industry, we offer you perfect service from a single source. Of course, we will also be at your side after the constructive development of your projects with accompanying services such as manufacturing and assembly. Regardless of which of our services you are interested in, we would be happy to advise you and recommend the possibility of a 3D presentation via Zoom or Teams. Your team at MBComponents GmbH.